Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2010 JT Suzuki Grand Vitara. This shape ran from the 8th month 2008 to the 12th month 2018. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 4-drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand headlights, left-hand fog light, left front guard appears to have no damage, left-hand front door, left-hand power door mirror, left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right-hand driver's door. Right-hand power door mirror. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior. Has a tidy center console lid. Tidy automatic transmission center console. Tidy automatic transmission gear stick. Factory AC controls. Single stack CD player factory. Interior mirror. There's a tidy left-hand sun visor. Tidy right-hand sun visor. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. That's a tidy handbrake lever. Right-hand fog light. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.